And my light died. Fucker. Why does it do this? What is happening? Guys, technical difficulties. What is going on? Why isn't this working? Hold on. I'm hitting this. Oh, I know why. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Guys, wait. Hold on. My light died. I got to fix it. We're having technical difficulties this morning, guys. Just bear with me. I'm still here. I'm fixing the light. Hold on. Okay. I need to get a. What is this? Guys, 1 second. Guys, 1 second. I'm fixing the light. Hold on. I need to get a Hold on, bear with me, guys. This is production. I need to get a USB Type C cord. Hold on. Of course. No. Oh, got one. I got one. Okay, guys, I'm making it a little brighter. You like it dark? Hold on. Hold on here. Hold on here. Yo, I did it. Yo, I did it. Okay, guys, hold on. All right, we're back. Guys, I had technical difficulties this morning. I had to start the stream, then stop it, then start it, then stop it, then start it, then stop it. Okay, anyway. First of all, guys, if you want to do the giveaway, right? Look here. Ready? We'll do the giveaway later. The more likes, the more ducky races we do. Exclamation point Apex in the chat. If you want to do the giveaway, that's the giveaway. I'm going to have it running until, like 10 o'clock. What's good, guys? What's good? Okay, guys. So, okay, there's a few people in here. Let's talk about what happened. Guys, I actually took a trade last night. I know. Out of my ordinary. But if you guys know, we had that Trump actually fired the Federal Reserve cook. Cook indeed got cooked. So, what I saw last night was like, if you see my charts here. You see my charts here? Okay. I took a scalp last night here. Okay. So last night we had that Trump news that he fired the Federal Reserve cook, right? So what happened is we had this huge. I'm gonna teach you guys something here. Okay, this is more discretionary trading and just based off of my experience in the market. When you have like a huge red folder event like CPI or like, Trump news, and you get a candle like this that creates a huge wick, this is called a data wick. This is a data wick, okay? So what this is going to essentially be, this is going to be this. I'm going to show you right here. This is this for price. So what happened here is, right? What happened here, okay, last night, this is what I did. I had this wick come in, right? I saw it. I waited. I took this inversion here. Boom. We inverted. I was long. I was short here. And I rode it all the way down to this data wick. I knew that this was going to be a strong chance that price was going to come back down because this acts as like the same as equal highs or session highs and lows, or previous day high, previous day low. This is what. Oh, Piney's in here. Piney, we're running the duck race later. I'm glad you're in it. I'm very excited for you to be in it, pal. So this is what went on. Pine, I don't know if you traded last night, Pine, but we had that news, and I caught a nice little short, nice little play. I made about, on my Apex accounts, I took about $1,500 on each one of my Apex accounts, and I knew that this was going to be a strong chance that we would come back down. This is essentially a giant imbalance, guys. So I was like, okay, I saw this inversion. I took a small play here. My stops are right above this inversion, and I rode this all the way down to the data low, and then I was out there, and I called it a night. So I'm up some nice profits right now from last night, and we're going to see if we can get something today. But this is what I want to see. This is what I want to see looking into the day today here. At what time was this? 2 times. This was at 8 p.m., right? 20 would be 14, 16 would be, yeah, 8 p.m. Right here. Boom. This happened at 20:03. 20:03. Yeah, this is 8 o'clock. Oh, Jay, I'll send you your account today. Sorry, bro. This is what happened. After I got off the stream, I had meetings, and I just lost track of time. And I waited for Harami, reverse, wrote it up, 1900 on TPT. Look, Piney, you getting a payout today? A little nice little payout? Guys, if you're not watching Piney at 6 p.m., you're missing out. That's one of my favorite streamers. Guys, when you're not tuning into me, go tune into my boy Piney. Yeah, he's got great content, great streamer, and just all-around awesome dude. And, yeah, so I'm up some nice profits today going into New York session. So, yeah, Jay, I'll hook you up. It's just I had a meeting with Apex after I got off of my stream, and I just lost track of time. I'm sorry. And things got away from me, and I'm gonna send you the account. I don't forget. It's just I was really busy yesterday, and I apologize. And I'm actually filming a video after this stream ends today, and I watched Pine trades last night and made a little money. Nice, yeah. Piney's freaking awesome, man. Love Pine, great guy, and awesome content. So when you're not tuning into me, you know, and you need like an afternoon streamer, like, you know, you're eating dinner and you're like, you know what, I want to watch a streamer while I eat and while I'm chilling. Piney's great for that. But yeah, so today, guys, what I'm looking for here is Pine Tree Trader. Guys, look him up on YouTube. Yeah, he streams. We're going from Eastern Standard Time. He streams from 6 Eastern Standard Time to 8. He's an awesome streamer. And just, like, cool to watch in the afternoon. Like, when you're done trading and, like, you know, you're chilling and you just want to hang out with the boys. Do you have a link? Let me get Piney's. Let me do it off screen. Yeah, I'll send his. Give me a sec. Give me a sec here, guys. I'll send you his YouTube. Okay, this is him. Copy. Oh, I can't paste it? Oh, here we go. There you go. That's Piney's YouTube right there. Go subscribe to my homie. Yo, get him to 3K subs. Get Piney to 3K subs. He's 500 away. Get him to 3K. You got to support the other streamers in the space, man. You got to. Especially the ones like Pine. Good heart, great content, and just I'm always showing support. All right, anyway, let's get back into the charts here. So, what am I looking for today? Guys, so as you know, we could look for a play at the open, but I've been adding the 15-minute time frame in. Of course, Pine. Of course. I got you, brother. I got you. Stuck on my phone today. Yeah, John, might be a better day to, you know, if you haven't particularly traded on your phone before, exercise extreme caution, brother, because I've been there. And unless you're executing trades on the higher time frame, I would stay away from the phone trading because it's a dangerous game, brother. Dangerous. So just exercise caution if you are trading on the phone today. But yeah, I subscribed. Awesome, guys. Yeah, subscribe to Piney. Get him to 3K subs. So what do I want to see here today? I've been, guys, I have so much on my mind that I want to share with you guys that sometimes I lose my train of thought. And so I've been adding some 15-minute liquidity sweeps on top of what I like to see in my trading, on top of the 1 minute. Because if you guys know, let me pull something up very off the screen because I don't want you guys to see my personal information. I want to show you guys something very important here, okay? Let me see if I can get a nice photo of it. Just give me 1 sec, guys. I want to show you guys something. Okay. Here we go. Right here. Right here. Okay. Let me pull this up for you guys here. You guys can't see it. Hold on. I want to add it to here. Hold on. Give me 1 sec. I should be able to add it. All right, but anyway, I'm trying to pull this up. Why can't you guys see it? Yash, what's good, guys? What's good? Are we ready to trade? We got the market opening in 20 minutes. I'm very excited. Okay, anyway, if you guys know I'm trying to, you guys can't see this. Why? Oh, I know what I can do. Hold on, give me a sec here. Boom. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you can. Oh, I'm getting better at this, guys. Okay, if you guys know anything about time frame alignment, this is one thing that, guys, you could say what you want about ICT, but I did learn this from him, and this is some solid knowledge. So, if you guys know, what are my 3 favorite time frames? The 4-hour, the 15-minute, and the 1 minute. And if you know, the 4-hour, the 15-minute, and the 1 minute are all correlated time frames. They're fractal. So say you have like a 15-minute PD array, like a fair value gap or an inversion, and then you align that with a 1 minute entry model, guys, it increases the win rate by a lot. So if I see a 15-minute liquidity sweep or draw on liquidity, and then I can get a 1 minute entry model based off of my scalping model, that's even higher. Like say we sweep London session high and Asian session high, maybe take previous day high or low, and we get an inversion, and then you could drop down to the 1 minute to get an even tighter entry. That's how you get a precise entry because now you're aligning time frames. You're aligning the 15, and then you're getting the precise, sniper entry on the 1 minute. But also, if you guys know, is that when I'm taking my higher time frame swings, they're based off of the 4-hour. So now, look, I take advantage of those 3. Those are the 3 best time frames, in my opinion. The 4-hour, the 15, and the 1. If you enjoy scalping on the 1 minute, align that with a 15-minute PD array because that's a correlated time frame. You need higher time frame narrative. So if you're trading off the 1 minute, you can't just go off a 1 minute structure, guys. You're going to get freaking annihilated. You're going to get destroyed. Because it's just not viable. It doesn't hold enough weight in the market. You know what I mean? At any point in time, a market structure shift can happen on the 1 minute, but it means absolutely fucking nothing. It means nothing. Where is higher time frame structure going? That's what you need to know. And then you align that with a lower time frame entry so you can get a precise entry model. You don't just jump on the 1 minute and you're like, oh, I see a market structure shift on the 1 minute. It's like, it's not enough. It's not enough. You're going to get burned. You're going to get smoked because you're ignoring the narrative of where the market is truly going. I promise you, if you add just a higher time frame narrative, it's happened to me now. Yeah, you're going to get absolutely crushed. How many of you trade off of the 1 minute and totally ignore whatever the hell's going on in the higher time frame? Let me know because I bet you it's happening to all of you guys. Yeah, 1 minute's it's going to smoke you, bro. I'm telling you. I've made all these mistakes. Please listen to me. I'm not talking out of my ass. I'm telling you guys what happened to me. All of this shit happened. All of it. I used to get smoked on the 1 minute just trading off of that structure. Crushed. Because you're like, oh, you think it's enough, but it's not. It's like the only thing that's doing is you're tapping into a 15-minute, area of interest. The 15 minutes bullish, but you're bearish on a 1 minute. You know, at the 15 minutes, it's just a pullback. On the 1 minute, you think you're having a trending day, but you're going to get absolutely annihilated. It's just not enough. If you're taking a 10-point move, a 5-point move, yeah. If you're catching 10 points, right? Obviously, you don't need to rely off of higher time frame market structure because at any point in time on the 1 minute, you don't need order flow to catch a 10-point move. You don't. You really don't. It's if you're catching bigger swings. If you're scalping and you're looking for, 10 ticks, 20 ticks, obviously you could go off of the 1 minute. I blew 5K this way. That's why I'm taking my time to get back to the markets, learning from you. Yeah, and trust me, Tyler, just checking the 4-hour AMD in a bull setup. If the 22 candle opens below the 18 candle and closes green, but it has closed below the 18 candle high, likewise, yes, I would still take the position. We got market opening in 15 minutes here. All right, let's dial back into the charts. Let me get this off. But guys, if you want to screenshot this, this is some good stuff to have. Let me get back to my trading window here. Guys, I'm getting a lot better at this streaming stuff. I'm feeling a lot more confident. Exactly, 100% 2 times. Guys, exclamation point Apex in the chat if you guys want to take part in the giveaway. We will be running ducky races. And, yeah. So, guys, if you this is a newer indicator that I added on, and it just helps me analyze session highs and lows, and it's freaking awesome. I'll pull it up to you. Guys, this dude, Nephew Sam, Suresh, I'll send you the account. Did you DM me on Twitter? You have to DM me on Twitter. I'm not sure if I got your DM. If you did, send me another one, and I'll get you. I was really busy yesterday. Really, really busy, and I'm sorry that just time got away from me. I had meetings, and I'm filming a video after the stream today. Guys, I've been running around like a chicken with his head cut off. I've been going crazy. I'm filming a video today with another, actually, guys, I'm filming a big video with a huge influencer who is partnered with Apex, and he actually is based in Korea. We're gonna make a good video. We're gonna do a little interview style thing, and it's gonna be good content for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, that's what I got going on after the stream today. Obviously, I'm open book. I'll tell you whatever's going on. But yeah, we got big stuff coming, and yeah, it should be fun. But today, guys, this is the new indicator that I have. This guy, Nephew Sam, makes some of the best indicators I've ever seen. If I could meet Nephew Sam, I would give him a hug. I might kiss him on the lips because he makes some of the best indicators on the planet. Some of the best indicators on the planet. I'll give you the script to this. Let me pull the script up. About the script. Boom. Previous open, high, low, close by Nephew Sam. This guy creates some insane indicators. He's a beast. These are freaking... He's awesome. I would give him a kiss, Nephew Sam. Where are you, pal? How much does he charge? These are free. Guys, all my indicators that I sent to you are free. Look, free 99. No cost, pal. No cost. No cost. There's no cost here. Free. Free. No money, okay? I don't want your freaking money. Free 99. Okay? I want to make that clear. Everything I sent to you is free. There's no cost. Don't ask me for money. I don't want your money. I make enough through the market. I don't want it. Okay. So, Giggle fought 5,000. I used what a name. What a name. I mean, it's like out of all the names in the world, you choose Giggle fought 5,000. I mean, I love it. I love it. You just can't make this shit up, man. You can't. Tyler Bundle. I made an indicator video on all right. Morning, Bella. Morning, Mom. Everyone say morning to my mom right now. Right now. Bella's in the chat. We love her. Morning, Bella. Bella, I was just telling the chat that I did take a nice little trade last night during Asian session, and I was informing them. How many times have you farted while giggling? Actually, quite a lot. And sometimes a little bit of poop comes out, Gigglefart. Sometimes. And Bella, I was letting them know that we got some good content coming, and I was telling the chat that me and Jay are filming a nice little video today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Guys, I'm excited. I'm super excited. And yeah, today's going to be a great day. And I took a nice little trade in Asia last night, Bella. Made $1,500 on each one of my Apex accounts. So we are in good profit today going into the day. And we're just going to remain patient and see if we can get... Guys, I want to see us take these Asian highs. I want to see us take these Asia highs. We have previous daily high. I don't think we come up that high today. I would like to see us potentially take these Asian highs, or previous low was already taken. So what you're going to want to do every single day, guys, you got to know that 6 p.m., right? 6 p.m. This is the start of the newest trading day. So we had previous day low taken before New York session. Yeah, Bella is the best. We already have previous daily low got taken. We have London lows intact still, and we have Asian highs intact. I would potentially like to see us a nice sweep of Asian highs. All right, 2 times. Yeah, guys, if you guys haven't, exclamation point Apex in the chat right now for a giveaway. Every 25 likes, we do another giveaway. So 25 likes, we do 1 duck race. Another 50 likes, we do another. 75, another. 100, another. I get tons of accounts to give away to you guys. So run the likes up, and the more accounts we give away, that's all I ask. I'm not asking for much. Just likes. Come in, like the stream. I give you guys, free content at no cost. And I'm just here to help you guys, support you guys, help you guys grow, and for us to grow as a team. And yeah, I just love you guys. Freaking love you guys, man. So we got the market opening in 9 minutes here, and so far not seeing anything I like. Gold, guys, that move on gold last night was insane. A death music. I'm great. Blueberry. Listen, guys, if you don't know Blueberry, I think about 2 streams ago, had one of the craziest duck races I've ever seen in duck race history. I don't know what she's feeding that duck. I don't know if she's on performance-enhancing drugs. But that duck did something I've never seen in my entire life. It was unbelievable. It was unbelievable. So let's see if we can catch something good today. As far as the narrative for the day, gold, I want to see some sort of sweep. Look at these equal lows. Are you seeing these beautiful equal lows in London? I think that we go and attack these equal lows right here. I think for gold, these equal lows will get swept. Look at, if you guys know, this is London low, but now this was swept here, but now these are relative equal lows. I think that we're going to come and drive and sweep this liquidity, tap into this 4-hour fair value gap as far as this huge move that we had. And that's the narrative that I'm going into the market today on gold, okay? This is what I'm looking for on NQ. NQ, what are we looking at on higher time frame? Higher time frame, I'm still pretty bearish. I'm bearish. So the narrative is bearish. I'm below the 200 EMA. We're inside of this 4-hour PD array. We respected it, This is an order block here. We're inside of this 4-hour fair value gap. It's kind of hard. We don't have clear direction on the higher time frame. Okay? So we're just going to remain patient. Let's see if these Asia highs get taken. These are relative equal highs here. You see this high that we made here? Boom. Hold on here. Boom. High here. And then this is Asia high. Right? All of our candles are bearish right now. So the narrative is bearish. Look at our bull trading indicator. The candles are printing red. So our narrative is bearish right now. Also, we have these highs. We want to see these highs be swept. We go on the 1 minute here. Let's see if we can get... So we're going in right now. Look, right now I'm going into the market. We're seeing in 7 minutes. I'm bearish. I want to see some sort of bearish price action right now. But yeah, we are just going to be patient here. I just want to pull something else up. Hold on here. I want to get... Let me get this out of here. This out of here. Keep that there. Boom. Boom. I really hope you guys can't see because I got a lot of personal information up right here. Okay. Boom. 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 Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, what's today's date? The 26th. 26th. Okay, yeah, we got... Okay, good. I'll keep that up there. Boom. Boom. Sorry, guys. I'm just setting things up here just in case we do get a trade. I'm ready to rock. Okay. What are you guys saying here? Bro, check 6J right now. Trident. Let's make some money. Let's go, guys. You use 2 monitors. I use 1 big LG monitor. Buenos trades. Let me dial in here because the market's about to open in 6 minutes. I just want to make sure my focus is on NQ right now, and we'll go check that after. Okay, brother? John Chung, I think I need another monitor. Bro, my desk isn't big enough. I'm using 1 big curved LG. It's freaking awesome. I love it. What should be... I love you. Exclamation point Apex in the chat if you guys want to take place in the Ducky race later. If we get a trade. Yeah, let's see if we can get something in market open here. And I'm excited to lock in. Let's freaking dial in, boys. Let's freaking dial the hell in. What should be lot quantity for EU and 150K Apex? Yo, I'm not going to go and tell you what specific lot sizes to use. You got to go off of your risk management. You know, based off of what you deem fit on your model. So exclamation point Apex in the chat, guys, if you want to do the giveaway. John Chung, I'm thinking about getting another monitor. I really think that I need one. Joshy boy, what's good? Joshy, I caught a nice little trade last night, Joshy boy. So I'm going into the day in profits. I kind of want to see us sweep Asia highs, Josh. Need those Apex accounts. Yeah, Joshy, you don't need nothing, okay? You make enough money, pal. I kind of want to see us come up and sweep Asia highs. And these are kind of relative equal highs. So that's where my narrative is in the day. So potentially short, I'm bearish overall, higher time frame. But as far as what I want to see, I need to see a liquidity sweep, guys. I need us come and sweep some sort of session liquidity. The RR and the viability and the reliability of a trade when we sweep a session's liquidity, especially like Asia high, London high, or previous day high or low. What are your top 3 pairs to trade? We have NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. I know, Joshy. I can't wait for NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. Guys, I'm not going to trade NVIDIA earnings, but I obviously just like taking place and watching the fireworks show because it's exciting to me. It's exciting stuff. And it does, Josh, it does look very ugly today. I'm not liking what I'm seeing right now. And I potentially, guys, I know you're going to hate my guts for this, but I might be sitting out again today. And you know what? That's what makes me a great trader because I could sit on my hands and not take a trade. I have no problems with it. 0 issues. If I don't get a trade today, I do not give a shit. I don't care. Because why? I want to come to the market where I am in the highest probability conditions for me to make money. The highest. There's no sense in me trading anything else other than that. Makes no sense. It diminishes my edge. What platform I use to backtest? I made all my money last night. Yeah, Josh, I made a ton of money last night. A ton. I did very well on my Apex accounts last night. And if you guys need Apex accounts, code TG or TG Capital, ApexTraderFunding.com, 80% off. Okay, now that that's out of the way, I made most of my money last night. I shorted to the data wick, and it was a beautiful, some of the cleanest price action I've had in the last 2 weeks was in Asia last night. And I don't even trade Asia. I saw the news. I saw the data wick. I happened to just peep the charts real quick. You know, the Discord, some of my friends' Discords were going crazy. And, yo, PK, we'll go over it after. I just want to dial in. The market's about to open in 2 minutes. This is extremely freaking ugly right now. Extremely ugly. Heinous. This is despicable. It was chef's kiss last night. I don't like anything that I'm seeing. I'm probably just going to... Look at this. Look at this. This is called I really want to blow my account today, so let me go and trade this trash. Okay? That's what this means. I'm not trading nothing right now. Nothing. The market's about to open in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Actually, 1 minute. We got 60 seconds here. I got my little clock. There. And we got 60 seconds till market opens. I'm drinking a protein shake because I did just hit legs today. Absolutely crushed legs. And I'm getting my 50 grams of whey isolate in. Guys, you got to get your protein in, chat. You got to get your protein in. I'm not going to tell you. Protein makes profitable traders. Protein. History Pop, what's good? Yes. 100%. If we're looking, okay. I see these relative equal highs here. Look at London. Look at London. You see London lows? Relative equal lows at London. Look at this. Asia highs, almost relative equal highs. This is a freaking mess. We could attack London lows, relative equal lows, or we could come up and target Asia. I don't know what the market wants to do today. I don't have a clear bias. I don't have a clear bias at all. I have no clue. All right, market's open, guys. Market's open. There's long out the door. Let's see if we go and sweep. This is just a mess. There's the long out the door. We're not trading nothing, guys. Nothing. Zero. Look at me. Look. Look at me. Nada. You know what they say in Italian? This is how you say this in Italian. This is an Italian saying. This is what you call. You say, no toccare. No toccare. That means do not touch. That means no touching. Do not touch the charts right now. No toccare. That's a little Italian for you, boy, because your boy is Italian. Your boy is Italian. Look at that. No session sweep, though. This means nothing. This means absolutely nothing. This is ugly. Look. We didn't sweep. Nothing got swept. All we did was tap into these fair value gaps here. Nothing. This is caca. No touchy. No touchy. You do not touch this at all. You stay the hell away. You let it do whatever the fuck it's doing. Oh, of course. Of course, Dynamic Tiger. Of course. It's a legendary show. Which one of you savages touched this? Because I know some of you traded. I know some of you are trading right now. So be honest with me. Be honest. And let me know which one of you traded right now. I know you did. I know some of you savages touched that button. This is heinous. Potential? Maybe, guys, where you backtest? I backtest on TradingView. Not me. And Dynamic Tiger, that's what makes you the frickin' Dynamic Tiger. I'm going to tell you what you have. You have the eye of the tiger. Just like Rick Samurai, don't touch. Exactly. Do not touch this right now. Don't. How is there edge in this? Show me where your edge lies in this right now. Where? You know what this would be? This is called gambling. This is gambling right here. And look where we're going to attack. Look where we're going to attack. Up! Asia just got swept. Look. Look at this. Asia high swept right there. Asia highs are getting swept right now, currently, at this moment in time. We took Asia. Look, relative equal highs. One of these two liquidity sweeps was the draw on liquidity. That's the draw right now. Now we could drive lower. This could be the draw to now drive lower. We don't know. That's the draw on liquidity right now. Now, let's say, okay, since we just we had that draw on liquidity, right? Asia high just got taken. Now, if we can get some sort of inversion here, potentially could go short. Potentially. All in full port. Oh, God. Be careful, man. I'm just chilling, guys. I'm just chilling. We're going to see if we can get something by 950. If we don't get anything by 950, we're going to go and run the giveaway. And then we're going to hop off the charts. That's what you got to do. You got to be able to walk away. My edge lies in either the first 20 minutes of the market opening or from 8 a.m. till about 10, which I could catch a trade on the 15-minute. But I have no edge right now. I have no edge. This is nothing for me. Where'd gold go? Nothing. This is nothing on gold. NASDAQ, we sweep Asia highs right now, right? Running. We're running up higher. We still have nothing. And we're just waiting. We are simply waiting. We're sitting on our hands. You got to be okay with that. I know you guys don't want to hear it. And I know you guys hate hearing that. But there's nothing right now. This is, if I were to take a trade here, this is called gambling. There's no edge. There is no trade. For me, personally, there's no trade. So we're chilling. No, a death. I want to see a sessions liquidity sweep. So what I pulled up before. Hey Tyler, do you still trade at 2 to 3 a.m. London kill zone sometimes? Dynamic Tiger, I will, but that's more for my my longer term swing positions because I need to be able to hold those trades overnight. I need to. Here, look at this. Hold on, let's dial in. This could be an inversion here. This could be an inversion. How this candle closes is pretty crucial. Wow. Interesting. This is a fair value gap here. 930. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. Oh. Nice little close there, respecting of that 930 fair value gap. Could draw higher. Could very well draw higher now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice. Still nothing, guys. Still nothing, just chilling. Just chilling.
Order filled. Order filled.
Look at that inversion. Holy cow. Wow. Look at that. There's the dump. Order filled? No. I didn't take nothing, I swear. That's so weird. Sometimes I have limits set. No. You guys heard something? I didn't trade nothing. Look. Order filled. Wait, where? Wait, hold on. Wait, what happened? Oh, no. You did? Wait, where did that come from? Wait, are you serious? Wait. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Wait. Was that me? Wait, stop. Hold on, I gotta check my accounts. Where did that come from? Hold on. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Guys, I don't know what happened. All right, well, it was just... Thank God. It wasn't my Apex accounts, guys. Thank God. And it was just a few micros. Wait, what was that? Hold on. Guys, it was actually a short too anyway. Wait, guys, I gotta close it. What the hell was that? That was so weird. I might have had something set here on accident. On one of my other accounts. All right, well, anyway, guys, I don't know what just happened. I don't know what happened, but for some weird reason, that worked out, and I don't even know what the hell just happened there. I don't have a clue in the world. All I know is order was filled, and I don't know why. Guys, I'm going to be honest. I'm managing so many accounts right now that sometimes things just happen. And I need to dial in with... That's why I'm focusing mainly on Apex, because I'm running them up to $1 million. $1 million. I have a few other firms I'm trading with, but I am running my Apex accounts up to $1 million. Thank God that... Okay, I got to make sure that I don't have no limit set or anything. I had to make sure... I think I had some sort of limit set. No, that was an accident. Guys, I swear to God, I did not mean to trade that. I don't know what the hell that was. That was so weird. Wow. Well, okay. That was the strangest thing I've ever seen. Okay, guys, I don't know what happened, and I don't know why it said order filled. I don't know why it said order filled. I have no clue why that just happened. I couldn't tell you. I could not tell you why. But it's okay. We're out. I fixed it. I don't even know what the hell. Okay, anyway, guys. There was no trade today, but for whatever reason, something went wrong. No, I think maybe I had a limit set, Wayne. I think there was a limit set that I forgot to turn off. I think that's what happened. But it was like really small. It was like 3 micros. So, I mean, essentially, what even is that? Ty, people say to just focus on one instrument, but my strategy makes me check all major pairs as my frequency of trade is less. Shresh, like I said, you just got to go based off of your system. Whatever works for you. Whatever works for you, brother. You have to go based off of your statistical edge in the market. Whatever that may be, that's what you have to do. I operate better, me personally as a trader, when my head isn't pulled into too many different directions, even if that means not trading, right? I operate better, way better, because it's just, I can just now become a scientist and fall in love with one pair. Guys, let me give it to you this way, okay? It's like a girl. You got to treat the instrument like a chick. When you have too many chicks, guys, things can go wrong. They could catch it. They could find out. It could turn up to bite you in the ass. So although you may think it's better, right, that you're jumping between different chicks, right? And you're like, oh, let me go see Sarah on Monday. But, oh, here's Stephanie on Tuesday. Stephanie looks good. Oh, don't let me forget about Mildred on Wednesdays. These are the same things as your pairs. It's like, if I just gave Stephanie all my time, guys, I could give you an analogy, but it could get real dark. I have some dark humor. So it's like, okay, I'm gonna at the NQ with Stephanie. Oh, I love Stephanie on Mondays. But let me go trade Sarah on Tuesdays. You know what, Stephanie? I don't want to give Stephanie my time on Monday. Tuesday, I'm giving it to Sarah. I'll give it to Sarah. But hold on here. Wednesdays, you go totally out of the ordinary, right? And you go, you know what? Fuck this. I'm adding another pair. I'm adding in Mildred. You're gonna go trade Mildred? Are you gonna go trade Mildred? You want to do that? You're gonna go hang out with Mildred? Are you kidding me? You don't want to hang out with Mildred? Don't give her the time of day. Leave Mildred alone. You don't go hang out with Mildred when you got Sarah and Stephanie. You don't. Sarah and Stephanie give you everything you need. And then you're going to go, oh, why? Because maybe Mildred's a little more kinkier? You think Mildred's going to go? The grass isn't greener, guys. Mildred ain't going to give you something that Sarah and Stephanie aren't giving you. Granted, maybe Mildred's... Maybe Mildred is equal low's target now at 61. Joshy boy, no trades. No trades. I don't like any of this. This is ugly. You know what I mean, guys? It's the same thing as Pears. She cooks, got good food. She uses maybe does one of your favorite things in the bedroom, and then you're gonna go and hang out with Mildred. Why? Why are you gonna do that? Same thing with trading. Same thing with trading. You don't go and trade. You don't go from gold and NQ and then you go and trade crude oil. Mildred ain't gonna give you what you want. She's just not. The grass isn't greener, brother. It's not. It's a lonely road for you. You stick to Sarah and Stephanie. Mildred makes good tacos. I don't care if Mildred makes the best tacos. I do not care. You ignore Mildred. You leave her on the back burner. You know what? You give it to one of the boys. You give Mildred to one of the boys. You give Mildred to the boys. That's it. Nothing more. The expansion. Yeah, Joshy, I can't trade any of this. This is disgusting. Look at this. Swept Asia high. I mean, do we target these equal lows? Do we target these equal lows in London now? Potentially. Potentially. So. Potentially so. We could. We could. It's not enough. It's not enough for me to go and trade it. Oh, exclamation point Apex. We're doing giveaways. We're doing giveaways. This is just scary right now. This is scary. Look at this. You know what this does to your account? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm still trying to figure out how I think it was from last night. Exclamation point Apex. And there you go, Joshy. There you go. There you go. There's the dumpy. Are we targeting London low? Potentially. All right, we're going to race. Short the 510s. Nice, Joshy. A little Joshy signal for the boys. I'm not trading nothing. No trade for your boy. I'm just sitting on hands, guys. And you got to be cool with that. You got to be cool. I'm cool, calm, and collected. There's no trade. I think we go and attack London low. Joshy boy. I'm thinking that's the draw. Little London low draw. Potential. Guys, we got about 2 minutes left for me to even consider an entry, but I don't think that we're going to get anything today. But we will run giveaways for the chat because I love you guys. Obviously, I freaking love you guys. I literally love you guys. So we're going to run giveaways. I think we're going to attack the London low. If I had to take a guess. If I was a betting man. If I was a betting man, I would say we attack the London low. Complete freaking dump. Crazy. Go get those lows, NQ. Go get them. I know you want it. It's going to get London. I'm just still eyeing this. Wow. Let's see the 15. Could draw back into that 1 minute fair value gap to then go lower. Reset chart. Oh, here we go. Exclamation point Apex, guys. We're going to run the giveaway soon. We're running the giveaway soon, chat. Exclamation point Apex in the chat. Exclamation point Apex in the chat. But what about the strat like Trident? Do you check a single pair or what do you... Okay, the Trident pattern, I will check multiple pairs because the setups don't occur as often. Okay? The setups don't occur as often. Exclamation point Apex in the chat. I'm closing this down. We're going to do it. Guys, can somebody let me know how many likes we have? How many likes do we got? How many likes do we got? How many likes do we got? Do you guys see a name in there? There's Giggle Fart. 45 likes? All right, guys, 5 more likes and we'll do 2 duck races. We have 16 likes? How many likes do we have? How many likes do we got? 45? Okay, make it to 50. We'll do 2 duck races before I close. Get me to 50 likes and I'll do 2 duck races. 2. Before I close this. Give me 5 more likes and I'll run 2. 5 more likes for your boy. Just 5. I'm asking for 5. I just want 50 likes. That's all. 50 likes. I'm not asking for much. 47. Okay. Give me 3 more likes. And I'll run 2 duck races. We'll be done trading for the day. There are no trades. And that'll be it. 51. All right. 51. Here we go. All right. Let me get Ducky Race up. Hold on. 55. Okay, I love it. Hold on. Duck Race giveaway. I got to start putting this in my... Okay. Boom. Let me take all these. All right, guys. Giveaway is getting shut down. We got 45 entries here. We got 53 likes. Are you ready for the Ducky Race? 2 Apex Trader funding accounts of your choosing. Any size. Yo, Slade, what's good? Yo, Slade, exclamation point. Well, Slade doesn't need accounts. Slade makes enough money. All right, guys, we're going to run the Ducky Race here. Quackity quack. There's no trades today. Well, there was no trades, but for some weird reason, I heard you guys heard order filled. I didn't even hear it. I didn't even hear it. And I got placed 3 micros, and I made like $50. I don't even know what happened. But I guess I had a limit set. But anyway. So yeah, let's run the race. There wasn't supposed to be a trade today, but for some reason. Okay, edit list, clear list. Guys, I'm getting really good at this. Done. How long you want to do the race for? How long are we quacking for? 2 minutes? Is that enough time? 2 minutes? What do you guys think? Is 2 minutes good? Guys, please let me know. You guys take forever to answer me. Is 2 minutes good for the quackity quack? Is 2 minutes good? Is that a good enough amount of time for the race? What do you guys think? You guys suck at answering me. Dynamic Tiger, 3 minutes? Quackity quack? I'm putting it on. All right, we're doing 2 minutes. Okay, hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. I'll be right back. Start your engines. I said start your engines. Or start your engines, or start your flappers. Start your wings. Start your propellers. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you ready? I love it, guys. This is Guys, this is good fun. I'm gonna tell you right now, this duck race shit makes my day. Oh, okay. There's the hat. Okay, you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Set. Go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We got Eric up to a big, hefty start. We got Top G coming in on the right-hand side. We got my boy Suresh. Suresh, I don't know whatever Suresh is wearing, but he looks phenomenal. Gigglefar 5000 in the... He's coming up with speed. Digital Nomad coming up in the middle. But we got the New York Pride. The New York Pride, Miss AL. New York, do it for New York. Do it for New York, Miss AL. Do it for New York. John Chung coming up with speed. My boy Johnny Chung coming up the middle with extreme speed. But here comes GK. We have an extremely tight race today, folks. Extremely tight race today, folks. We have Top G coming up, but at Death Music, making a run for the absolute money. Looking like a complete freaking alien. Looking like a complete alien. But here we got J-Weave. J-Weave coming up on the left-hand side. J-Weave coming up strong. A Death Music looking strong. John Chung, J-Weave, and a Death Music. Here comes Eric. Eric on the left-hand side with speed. But Johnny still maintaining the lead. Johnny maintaining the lead very, very strong. But who do we got here? The Hots. The middle. I can't see the name just yet. Icarius YT, but Timmy Korth and Ricky Mack. Tim Korth pulling ahead. Timmy Korth pulling ahead. Ricky Mack on the right-hand side, but Timmy Korth. We got 30 seconds. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now, magic happens in the last 15 seconds. Magic happens. Here comes Blueberry. Oh, God, really? Here comes Blueberry again. With the Blueberry, I'm not even kidding. You are going to get the squad. Blueberry again. Blueberry, what are you on, brother? What are you on? Here comes Timmy Korth, GK up at the middle. Here comes Blueberry falling back. Blueberry ran out of steam from the steroids. Here comes GK pulling ahead. GK looking for the win. 8 seconds left. But, oh boy. Oh, here's Johnny. Johnny boy with the freaking win. Where did that come from, that little nurse? Where the hell did Johnny just come from? Where did Johnny come from? Holy cow, guys. Johnny has COVID. Can you see him? Can you believe that? It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. What just happened? Johnny boy. Johnny, are you here, pal? Johnny, tell me you're here, man. John, tell me you're freaking here, man. Whatever you just did was astronomical. I've never seen that in the history of Duckies. Johnny, are you here? Johnny, are you here, man? Let me know if you're here, Johnny. I gotta know that you're here, pal. Are you here, Johnny? Where are you? Where the hell did Johnny just come from? Johnny, you won, pal. Johnny, send me a screenshot. Right here. You won. You're a freaking animal. Johnny, send me a screenshot of this and type quack quack and send me a DM on Twitter. Johnny, I can't even believe what you just did. Blueberry came in hot with the performance-enhancing drugs again, and then all of a sudden he died out. But then, Johnny, you came in here like this. Johnny, you came in like this. Look, Johnny, you came in like this. Boom! You came in like this, John. And you left everyone in the dust in the last 10 seconds. Everyone. Everything you know and loved, you just left in the past, Johnny. You're a freaking animal. Johnny, take a screenshot of this right here. Say quack quack in my DM. Say quack quack in the DM, and I'll send you an Apex Trader funding account of any size that you want. What you just did, I've only seen one other person do, and that's Blueberry. And Blueberry tried it again today. Blueberry tried it, and guess what? Blueberry came in hot. Blueberry came in hot, and then all of a sudden, Blueberry failed. And then Johnny Boy comes in like this. He turns his little propellers on. Look, he turned his propellers on, rocket speed, and then all it takes to win. I've never seen anything like that in my life. The guy's an animal. No pun intended. Crazy. What a race. Yeah, 2 times I ordered the duck hat, of course. This is raw entertainment. Yeah. All right, Johnny, we have word in the chat. We have word in the chat that after today we will have to be conducting a unfortunately a full blood panel and a urine analysis based off of whatever just went on here today. Because what happened is that there could be a chance that you are using performance enhancing substances that not all the other duckies have access to. I'm not saying, Johnny, that performance-enhancing substances are illegal for the ducky race, but you just got to share them with the rest of the duckies. You can't be using that stuff. Oh, you have a meeting? Yeah. Oh, guys, I gotta go. Tay has a meeting. I love you guys. Tay's gotta go. She's got a meeting. We'll run the other ducky race tomorrow. I gotta go. I love you guys so much. I have to go. Bye. I love you. I gotta go. Bye.